What is the best strategy for low search volume keywords around 1,000 to 5,000 monthly searches in shopping ads? Okay, so shopping ads, obviously, they have been sunset now. They work in Performance Max. So if it's the same kind of question, then you don't have any search volume. First of all, you cannot use keywords in Performance Max. Is on audience level, right? 1,000 to 5,000 monthly searches is not low search volume. It's pretty good. If you can get 5,000 monthly searches for a keyword or a couple of keywords, it's pretty good. Low volume, I would say, would be 10, 20, 30 per month, not 1,000 to 5,000. But if you were talking about low volume, then obviously nobody's looking for it. Nobody's aware of that problem, let alone the solution. So then you would go broader and go after Google Display Network and the video ads on YouTube, and that's how you're going to grow your account. Because with low search volume, you're hardly going to spend any money, especially if it's for a small local campaign.